How to find a dental halter. 1. Research online. Start by searching for dental halters on medical supply websites or e-commerce platforms. Look for specific features and reviews. 2. Consult your dentist. Ask your dentist for recommendations. They often have preferred suppliers or can provide guidance on the best options. 3. Check local dental supply stores. Visit local dental supply stores or pharmacies. They may carry dental halters or can order one for you. 4. Compare prices. Once you find a few options, compare prices across different platforms to ensure you're getting a fair deal. 5. Read reviews. Look for customer reviews to gauge the quality and effectiveness of the dental halter. 6. Consider custom options. If you have specific needs, consider contacting dental professionals who can create custom dental halters tailored to your requirements. 7. Verify return policies. Before purchasing, check the return policy in case the product doesn't meet your needs.